So now let's see how we can work around with Stylize Filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So if I were to go around onto the filter menu, then here you can see Stylize is an option. And if I were to go around here, you can see that there's different sort of filters that you can apply. The first one is diffuse, as you can see. So this allows you to go around, zoom in, and you can see the preview over here. And you can change it out to darken only, lighten only, or you can go for anisotropic as anisotropic as well, according to how you want. So you can go around, choose the mode right here, and apply the filter over here, and that is applied onto the image. So another thing that you can do is you can go to filter and then you can go to stylize and you can make it like emboss over here as well. You can change around the height of the emboss, as you can see right here, and change around the amount over here just like this as well. But I'm not going to apply this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the filter menu and then go to stylize, and you can go to extrude right here. So once you go around right here, then you can see that there's different parameters that you can set right here and press OK. So you can go around and see that it extrudes out different image parts as blocks right here. You don't have direct preview for this, but you can experiment around with the numbers to get different results. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here and let me go to filters one more time. And over here in Stylize, you can see that Find Edges is an option as well, which changes out the entire image into edges only. So that is hence the name Find Edges. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here and go to filter onto Stylize. And then over here you can see glowing edges is an option over here as well. So you can make the stylize option right here. It opens up the filter gallery and you can apply out glowing edges over here as well, apart from regular edges. You can go around onto filter, onto stylize, and here you can see that solarize is an option as well. So that means it darkens out the bright part of the images right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z and let me just go around onto filter, onto stylize right here. Then you can also go around and add tiles. You can add in foreground and background color or inverse out the image as well, and choose the number of tiles according to how you want. Let me just keep 20 and offset is going to be, let's say for example 30%. Press OK, and then it gets converted into tiles just like this. And depending on the option that you chose, the background gets filled up accordingly. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here and go to the filter menu, and over here if I were to go to stylize, then you can see trace contour is an option over here as well. You can change around the level of the tracing right here and choose lower edges or upper edges according to how you want, and the change takes place. Let me just press cancel, and if I were to go to filter right here onto stylize, then you can see wind is an option as well. So you can go around and add in different sort of wind from left or right here, and then you can see the preview over here. Press OK to go around and apply the wind effect over here as well. And that is how you can utilize the Stylize filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.